Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Intel High Definition DSP code 28 error on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This error usually means that the driver for your Intel audio device is missing or not installed correctly, which can cause sound problems or device malfunctions. The good news is you can fix it easily by updating or reinstalling the driver. Let's get started. Step 1. Update driver via Device Manager. Open the search menu, type Device Manager, and open the best match. In Device Manager, expand sound, video, and game controllers or display adapters, depending on which shows the error. Right-click Intel High Definition DSP or the device with the error and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the manufacturer-specific driver Intel, click Next, and wait for it to install. Step 2. Run Troubleshooter via Command Prompt. Open the search menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. If you see a user account control prompt, click Yes. Copy the troubleshooting command from the video description or guide and paste it into the command prompt window. Run the command to launch the troubleshooting utility. Click Advanced, check Apply Repairs automatically, then click Next. Follow any on-screen instructions to let Windows fix the driver issue automatically. That's it. Now you know how to fix the Intel High Def DSP code 28 driver error. See you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.